pretties, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Alright guys, today I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving, so I thought I would vlog for you guys. You already know how that goes. You already know how that goes. But I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys today. I'm going to my boyfriend's house, then I'll go to my family house. So yeah, it is almost 4 o'clock and I'm late. Like, I really wanted to be like at his house already. And I'm not. But yeah guys, your girl finally got her clothes back on. I'm gonna show you guys my nails real quick. If it will focus, there you go. Are they so pretty? I love them. But I don't know what to wear. I have this outfit on because I'm feeling this outfit. My boyfriend's like, oh, dress exotic. I'll show you guys a screenshot so y'all don't think that I'm lying. I also got my eyebrows done. So we back to looking. My camera's about to die. Oh my gosh, how? I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. I got my eyelashes on. I have my eyebrows on. Now I'm just gonna put on my foundation. And yeah, it's 4:12, so I'm not doing okay. I have to say I was doing pretty good, but I'm not. Oh my god, I keep on forgetting that I have this. I keep on forgetting that I have this. Like, maybe we'll focus. I need to just keep it out so I know I have it, because I just be forgetting that I have so much makeup I could use. I forgot I had this too. I'm using Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Latte. Hola, 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 she called my name. Hola, Tunje. Hola, Tunje. Stay on your mind, I'm on to it. Anything that you come with. I don't know why my camera battery be dying so fast. It's so annoying because I barely use my camera. Yeah, I know this is the second time. This is my second video that I'm using my camera. So it's just really annoying to me. Say I didn't put too much because honestly I should put on my foundation. So now I'm gonna put on my foundation from ELF. It's a flawless finish foundation. I already told you guys about this, and the shade Latte as well. So oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, oh la la. Oh my gosh, fudge! I can't believe literally all my fall dresses is black. Like, am I gothic? Like, what the hell? I'm breaking out again. This is face effect that I'm never gonna have clear skin. I'm getting like little pimples on my face, which I never got. Like, I don't know if I can see it, but my face is blended. I'm gonna set it with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. Okay, contour. I'm sorry guys, I haven't done my makeup that long, like a full beat. Nah, so. Look. He's calling me. Yeah.
Eddie.
What's good?
Hey, dude.
What?
I'll save it. Trying to hang up like that.
Exactly, like you call me just to hang up type of shit is that. I gotta wash my hands. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do my hair real quick. It's gonna be nice. But my room looked crazy because I was trying to find a freaking outfit when the outfit that I wanted was not even in what I just took out. Like, alright guys, my room looked crazy, and I know. I promise you, I know. This is what happens when you don't know what to wear. This is what I'm gonna wear. Listen, I don't got time to put my clothes away right now. I'm about to just leave and get a, my mom yell at me and all that jazz. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I was gonna wear like the shirt that matches it, but that's not, honestly, it's not really my style. Like, I tried, I can't do it. But this skirt I got from my mom made it. You guys saw the haul, you know what I'm talking about. My shirt, I don't know where I got this from. I think I got this from Runway for like $8. And my shoes are some heels. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I got them from Target. These are my modeling show vlog, which you should watch. That's where I got them from. It was like $10. No, I'm bugging. It was $40. Or no, it was $30. So my outfit is under $100. So don't ever tell me you can never look good unless you spend a lot of money, because baby, this is a simple outfit and you gotta spend no money. Period. I was gonna wear some jeans, but Thanksgiving, like, I really don't have like no dressy shirt to make me look dressy, so unless I wear like some heels with the jeans, which I don't feel like doing. I'm just gonna wear this outfit and just leave before like I never get to go. So what you think about this outfit? It took me a while just to find a simple outfit. Like, I could do better, but it's whatever. Alright guys, I'm about to be going to Kevin's house. So you guys see me, I'm gonna be on my phone, so the quality might change. I'm sorry, but when I see you guys, I'll be in the next clip. So let's go.
And I'm paranoid, so I just hold on my Poweradd. This bitch, she a little baddie, told me that I would never.
Megan, dress is taking that long. Come on. She's like, Daddy, come on. Right? She's like, Daddy, let's go.
Hey, yeah.
Alright, what's today?
Today's Thanksgiving, you know the vibes. But thank you for all you guys' supporters. You know the vibes.
Yeah, we about to go to his aunt's house.
We at my house too. My mom gets chef guard. She a chef guard for me.
Bye guys. See you later.
In the next video.